I'm ready.
Sabha, can you please, which date you are having your interview?
It's on 10th Jan, sir.
Oh, in Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us about yourself.
I'm Sabha Parveen from Bijnor district of Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BCom honors from MJPRU University of UP in 2019, and I have done my MCom from Gujarat University. I am working as a Scale 1 officer in Canara Bank, posted in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I'm having a work experience of 3 years in credit department of Canara Bank. And recently, I have completed my GIB CIB also in the last December attempt.
Super. Very good. So when will you be eligible to be get promoted to scale 2?
This year I was eligible, sir.
Did you write?
No, sir.
Acha, why?
Uh, because I have not decided to go for the managerial post yet, and I am still learning as an officer in my department.
Mhm.
I have not made up my mind basically for taking the promotion, sir.
Then
That's why.
what made up your mind to come to our insurance company?
In Canara Bank, sir, I am working as a generalist officer, and I have filled up for NIACL AO for the accounts post. So I think this position will better suit my education background as well as my interest. And as
Mhm.
the insurance sector is also progressing well, so I am keen to join this largest general insurance company because I think it will increase my skills as well as my knowledge spectrum.
Mhm. But what is your family?
What's my family?
Yeah.
Sir, my father is a businessman. He basically handled the decor in the marriages happening in the district, and my mother is a homemaker, sir.
Mhm. See, the father's
And
business itself must be a big one where it may require your help also. Why are you not joining that?
no, sir, it is not that much big. He is handling it at a small level, but that is sufficient for my family.
Okay, fine. Good.
Yes, sir.
You wanted to take up something which involves more of accounts,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir, because I have studied it from my initial days till now also.
Oh,
That's why.
that is the reason. Good.
Yes.
Um, what are the various components of balance sheet?
Balance sheet is basically divided into two parts, that is assets and liabilities. Asset involves the shareholders and the equity fund. Sorry, a slip of
Mm,
my tongue. Liability includes the shareholders and equity fund, then reserve and surplus, and then long-term liabilities, current liability, and the contingent liability. Asset side includes the fixed assets, investment, and then the short current assets. That's all.
See, in the case of a bank balance sheet, advances will appear under which side?
It will be in the advances will be in the asset side, sir.
Why are you hesitating so much? You are
I was a bit confused at that
no,
time.
no, you are MBA and you are also CAAB
I'm
holder
already working in it.
and
Yes,
already
sir.
working
Sorry,
in
sir.
bank.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Can you define contingent liability?
Contingent liability are those liabilities uh, which are which are possible to happen in future, whose liabilities are possible to occur in future, but not in the present, sir.
But you should use the word which may or may not happen.
Yes,
But the
you are
way you
right.
were telling it is likely to happen in future का मतलब it is going to come. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. हो सकता है वो आएगा, नहीं होने से नहीं भी होएगा. For example,
Correct,
liabilities on LCs issued,
correct, sir. Correct.
like contingent liabilities. Okay. Now, can you tell me some details about a bank's profit and loss account?
A bank profit and loss account. So basically, the income sources for a bank is the interest income. Main income is the interest income, and then some non-other interest income from the ancillary products and services we provide to the customer. And on the expenses side are the interest paid on the deposits that we have accepted from the customers, and the administrative expenses and the salary paid to the employees, the building cost and commission cost, etc. So,
And I think your answer is not wrong, but it is not full. For a person like you, it has to have like this. Please read.
uh, interest income, interest discount on advances, bills, income on investments, interest on balance with RBI and other interbank funds. Then other income would be commission, exchange and brokerage, profit on sale or investment, profit on revaluation of investment, profit and sale of land, building and other assets, profit on exchange transactions, and miscellaneous income. Expenses would be interest on deposits, interest on RBI, interbank borrowings, and others. Operating expenses would be payment to and provision for employees, rent, taxes and lighting, printing and stationery, advertisement and publicity, depreciation on bank's property, directors' fees, allowances and expenses, law charges, postage, repair and maintenance, insurance.
Correct. Good. Now, can you tell me what is asset liability management?
Asset liability management.
Yeah, asset
Mm,
liability मैंने पढ़ा नहीं इसका बारे में.
uh, no, sir.
Hmm. Please read because.
Because the business of banking involves the identifying, measuring, accepting, and managing the risk, the heart of bank financial management is risk management. One of the most important risk management function in banking is asset liability management. Asset liability management is concerned with strategic balance sheet management involving risk caused by changes in interest rates, exchange rate, credit risk, and the liquidity position of a bank. With profit becoming a key factor, it has now become imperative for a bank to move away from partial asset management, credit and non-performing asset, and partial liability management towards an integrated balance sheet management where all the components of balance sheet and its different maturity mix will be looked at from the profit angle of the bank. Asset liability management is the act of planning, acquiring, and directing the flow of funds through an organization. The ultimate objective of this process is to generate adequate, stable earnings and to steadily build an organization's equity over time while taking reasonable and measurable business risks. In brief, ALM, concerned with strategic balance sheet management, match between asset and liabilities in balance sheet, risk like credit, market, liquidity, interest, etc., stem from mismatch between asset and liabilities. ALM is not to avoid risk but to manage risk sustaining profitability. Periodic monitoring of risk exposures involving collecting and analyzing information, ability to anticipate, forecast, and to act so as to maximize bank's business to profit. Altering assets and liabilities portfolio in a dynamic way to manage risk involve judgment and decision making. ALM involves planning, directing, and controlling the flow, mix, cost, and yield of consolidated funds of bank. Assess various asset mixes, funding combinations, price volume relations, and their implications on liquidity, income, and capital ratio. Planning procedure which accounts for all asset and liabilities of a bank by rate, amount, and maturity.
Very good. Now, is asset liability management a relevant exercise for insurance companies? Ex-
Um, yes, sir.
Obvious,
It would be. It
obviously,
would be.
yes, it is a must.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me something about what IRDA is doing? What are the recent directives or instructions given by them to insurance companies?
To insurance companies, I'm not aware about the recent ones, sir. I have not read about it.
Mhm. I think I have posted a video also on that. You are not going through the materials given by me, videos posted by me. Then how can you
Uh,
improve? Hmm? I
I'm
have to
really sorry, sir.
about the directives they have given for some insurance, then life insurance, say the instructions they have given for some health insurance related issues, so many things. But I suggest you search your
Oh,
chat
sir. I
GPT
will.
or so and try to get an answer. Any interview you go, you should always go with an answer. Recent changes, recent directions, recent implementations in those companies like that. Recent happenings, okay? Because
Okay, sir.
the entire interview is based on recent happenings.
Yes, sir.
So now you are from which state?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh, sir.
Uttar Pradesh is a very vibrant state. Can you tell me why?
Sir, because we are having a mix of culture. We are having very diverse culture, food, and the religious places, the historical attractions in our state.
Not only that,
That-
you are having one sixth of India in your state.
Yes, sir.
And nearly 80 parliament seats out of the total 540.
Yes, sir.
540 divided by 6 kitna aata hai? Same thing. Or maybe 90, but for considering that it is less. Yeah. So
Yes,
that
sir.
way, commands always respect. And further, it is based on Ganges. Ganges is the cultivation where people started living right from early days. And
Yes, sir.
mm, yeah, it has been contributing for all walks of life. So that way, it is very important. That's what I feel. But maybe you can add some more points also. I don't know. Now,
Yes, sir.
NIACL.
Uh, Sorry, sir, your voice broke down. I didn't hear you.
I'm telling NIACL. Did you go through
Yes,
the
sir.
balance sheet of our company?
Not so far, sir. I didn't.
Why? Why? Why have you not gone?
Actually, I just joined your course a day before yesterday, sir.
Is it so? Oh,
And
but your interview
and
is
I
going to interview is going to be on 10th or so.
yes, sir. It's on 10th in the morning, sir.
Very sad. Mhm. No, but you must know about the balance sheet. They do ask this question. I would have given you a paper like this. I will show you.
Mm-hmm.
I will show you the paper. Mm. I would have given you a 30 pages material like this. Did you go through this?
Yes, sir. Uh, Not completely, sir, because there
Mm.
was a lot of material, so I couldn't spare that much time due to the job. But
Obviously,
tonight I will
obviously.
go through it, sir.
Yeah. Now, please tell me what do you know about PMFBY?
Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Government has provided this scheme to the farmers so that they can insure their crops at a very low premium rate, and in case of anything happen, government will provide them the insured amount, and insurance premium. It
See,
it's very.
no, as an you must know the percentage they charge also 1.5%, 2.5%, 5%, like
Yes,
that.
yes, yes. It on cash crops it's 5%. For kharif crop it's 2%, and for rabi crops it's 3%, sir.
But now, what are the principles of insurance?
There are seven principles of insurance, sir. Principle of utmost good faith, insurable interest, subrogation, indemnity, loss minimization, contribution, and causa proxima.
But can you explain what is proximate clause?
Proximate clause said, sir, there can be many reasons for happening of an event, but the main reason, which is the most close one, will be considered as the main cause of behind the happening of that event, sir.
What is your understanding of insurance industry?
Insurance
Hello.
industry.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
I think this question should have
Uh,
come first, but yeah.
hmm. So basically, sir, insurance industry uh,
Hmm.
try to safeguard the
Hmm.
safeguard the individual or the businesses from an unexpected event, and it play a major role in the development of the economy also, because it allow the big business houses to take the calculated risk.
Hmm. Yeah.
I need to read about
Why do you want to work in insurance sector?
as I already explained it, sir,
Please
that
don't you
it is.
please don't talk like this in real interview. They will purposely repeat one or two or three questions. You should not tell them, sir, ये तो पहले ही पूछ लिया अभी क्यों पूछ रहे हैं फिर और एक बार. हाँ,
Sorry, sir. I
ये
got it.
ये ये तो you can talk to me but not to interviewers. अरे भाई आपको
Okay, sir.
पास में कोई कस्टमर आता है एक
Yes,
सेम
sir.
बात को 3 बार बोलते हैं उनको बोलेंगे आप.
No, sir.
Then a customer is very most important. Similarly, an interviewer is also more important for you in an interview situation. Not that you don't know, you are
Hey,
a very intelligent girl, but still sort of
no,
yeah, out of your
definitely.
yeah, doesn't matter. Now tell me,
Yes.
yeah, tell me your understand. Yeah.
Uh, Sir, I want to join insurance industry because it is a highly developing industry as of now, and I think working with a leading company like NIACL, it would be a great opportunity for me to increase my skill as well as my knowledge spectrum of the insurance sector.
I will say your banking is a better area because it has grown very well. We are getting so many different types of banks and all. ये सब छोड़ के आप क्यों मेरे पास आते हैं? Just to tease you, they will ask you. I don't know how you are going to manage it. Manage कर लीजिए. I am not interested in answers for this. Now,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you stay updated with industry trend and developments?
Uh, if I talk about now how I get myself updated regarding my current job and my profile, then time to time our bank issues the manuals and the circulars on their website. So I almost try to go through it on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. And then I prefer to read the news also regarding the recent changes in the banking industry.
Good. What is your understanding of risk management?
Risk management is a very important
Talk from
to
the angle
minimize.
of You can talk from the angle of insurance company or from the angle of banking also. रिस्क मैनेजमेंट का मतलब क्या है?
सर बेसिकली रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क बहुत तरीके के होते हैं, लाइक बैंकिंग में जो मैंने पढ़े हैं वो है क्रेडिट रिस्क, मार्केट रिस्क, इंटरेस्ट रेट रिस्क, रेपुटेशन रिस्क, ऑपरेशनल रिस्क, स्ट्रेटेजिक रिस्क। तो जो हमारी डेली एक्टिविटीज ही होती हैं, हर एक्टिविटी में अलग अलग तरीके के रिस्क एसोसिएटेड होते हैं, और कोई भी रिस्क एक बहुत बड़ा असर डाल सकता है बैंक की रेपुटेशन पे या उसके ऑपरेशंस पे।
हम्म,
तो टाइम टू टाइम बैंक को पॉलिसीज बनानी होती है इन रिस्क को मिटिगेट करने के लिए, ताकि
हम्म,
किसी तरीके का फेलियर ना आए और
हम्म,
बैंक के ऑपरेशंस जो हैं वो स्मूथली चल सकें सर।
हम्म. But how does a reinsurance treaty work?
Reinsurance, it means the primary insurance is given by the insurance company to the individual or the businesses. But those companies, those insurance companies are also at a risk that if many insured people come at a time to get an indemnify for the losses they have incurred, so they can also run into loss. So to mitigate that loss, they also come in agreement with another reinsurance company, which provide them the insurance to mitigate that possibility of loss also, sir.
Okay. What is the vision and mission of our company?
Uh, Vision and mission. As it is a general insurance company and dealing in the general
No, no,
insurance
but
product like
unless you have memorized that, you can't speak. Have you mugged it up?
no, sir, I
Then,
haven't read about
then,
it.
then don't attempt. These are the questions that are coming in our accounts. Tell me about IFRS. Why do we need to prepare comparative statements? Tell about five heads of income tax. AS 15 employee benefits. What is ED and PMLA? Any investment guidelines you know of IRDA for insurance companies? What is segment reporting importance of insurance sector? Like these questions. And I don't know the answer for at least 50% of these questions. But I think you may also not know. Please prepare for them.
Yes, sir, I will, sir.
इसका अंदर में जो no no but one problem here is I have given you both general insurance, medical insurance, and what is this accounts insurance, everything. And out of them, please go through and cull out the accounts insurance only and try to master your ideas regarding that. Okay.
Sure, sir, I will improve.
Otherwise
Definitely,
you
sir.
are answering well, you will be given preference because you are already an officer in a bank. At the same time, your lack of knowledge thoroughly may affect your chances. Sorry to use this term, lack of knowledge, but it is what I perceive because you had no time to study. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई ये लोग पूछेगा अभी क्या हो रहा है. What is that? क्यू में क्या हो रहा है? क्यू में क्या हो रहा है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Sorry,
मेजोरिटी
sir.
ऑफ इज क्यू, के
Hmm.
वाई आई बी. उधर में क्या चलता है अभी? Many of us may not know that it is the capital of Ukraine.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, अभी कनाडा में क्या हो रहा है?
The Prime Minister have resigned, sir.
That's good. That's good. Likewise, you should be able to tell us current happenings and everything. Correct. Do you know the name of that artificial intelligence boy from India who died recently in America? because he became a whistleblower.
No, sir. I haven't heard about it.
Some Subir Singh, very,
Okay.
very intelligent boy, getting crores and crores of rupees as salary. He was working for Open AI, and it seems in the month
Mm-hmm.
of August he was not happy with the company. He started telling this company is doing something wrong, like this, and it became open in the area, and it seems he has been killed. But people say it is suicide. America. It has happened very much in America about 10 days back or 20 days back. So this is news. But why you should know as this? You are a young person. You are a person dealing with computer. Something that is happening around you, a bank officer, a insurance officer must be in a position to know. I am totally not interested in share market, but I do follow share market. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are
I'm
a
getting you.
Gujarat, you are a Gujarat girl. You must be investing in shares, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which company shares are you interested in?
Basically, my majority of the investment is in mutual funds, sir, because
Which
I
company
think
share? Which company share is quoted is the highest price most of the times?
MRF,
Running,
sir.
correct. Good. You told nicely. Good. Best wishes. We'll meet again. Have I given you another time, or you will take another time from me and come? Okay.
Sir, you have given me the time of tomorrow
Hare
because
Baba.
on
Oh,
9th I will be leaving.
because 10th is your this thing. Again, you have to come at same time. No problem.
Sure, sir. I will, sir.
But tomorrow I will ask all commerce, commerce, commerce. I will not ask introduction. I will not ask about. I will ask something related to NIACL and accounts.
Sure, sir. I will prepare, sir, this night
Very,
only.
very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Can you come online? Let me see you. How
Sure, sir.
cheerful are you in spite of my asking negative questions?
No, it's all fine. One second, sir. Uh,
Sabha, you are married?
no, sir. I'm single, sir.
Sir? Oh,
Here
how
I am,
old
sir.
are you? Yeah, hello. How old are you?
I'm 25, sir.
25. No problem. You can wait
Yes,
for
sir.
one more year. One more year, not two more years. Only one more year. Okay.
Sure, sir.
I know you would have been
Okay, sir.
facing this question from many people in your family. You are
No,
used.
sir.
You not really
No,
not.
sir. As I'm having, no, sir. Actually, I'm having my elder sister. That's why there is
Oh,
no hurry for me.
you are shielded.
Yes, sir.
Good. Don't worry. You are answering well, but थोड़ा कम लगता है. पता नहीं क्या है. थोड़ा
I'm,
उतना कॉन्फिडेंस से आंसर नहीं आता है. Maybe if I ask about banking, you will tell me, but not about insurance.
yes, sir, because I haven't prepared much, and that is my shortcoming, but I will improve it definitely, sir.
You take leave tomorrow and prepare. छुट्टी
I'm
नहीं देगा?
having a proposal.
हाँ?
I'm having a proposal in hand, sir, which
अच्छा
I need
वो
to sanction tomorrow. That's
oh
why.
when we were talking about marriage and all that, immediately you said proposal. हमने ऐड कर दिया अरे भाई इनको कोई शादी के लिए प्रपोजल है. अच्छा
No, sir.
which is MSME or what?
It's a agro food proposal, sir.
Good, carry on, do your best. Job is more
Thank you.
important. Thank you. Bye. You can
Thank you,
close.
sir. Bye.
You can close video.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Samir, you are there. Samir, you are appearing for which interview?
Karnataka Bank, sir.
Acha, yesterday I have posted a video, detailed video for only 7 minutes or so, covering
Okay.
what are the various questions that can be asked. Did you watch that or not?
Uh, Not yet, sir. I will definitely watch
Acha,
this
when did
time.
you join our group?
Yeah, I have joined this group, sir.
When?
Yesterday at morning.
Only yesterday. That is why you must not have followed. Look,
Yeah.
Just a minute. Just a minute. ECGC Karnataka CSA interview 7 minutes video only, but it's a very useful one. Okay. Just a minute. No, 1 minute. One minute. Mm, I'll I'll stop this share. I'll stop this share because I have to stop that video.
Yes.